We here at Value Solar Power are dedicated to changing the world one house at a time by educating the community on the federal solar tax program. The government knows how critical it is to switch to green energy, so they have set aside your tax dollars to help everyone go solar. There are no upfront costs, and instead of a high electricity bill, you replace it with the lower solar one. Then, when you're done paying it off, you have free electricity for the rest of your life. You get immediate return on investment, with the full cost of the panels being put onto the value of the home with no additional property taxes. And to add the cherry on top, the government pays 26% of the entire project. So I ask you, what reason is there not to go solar? We understand that our planet is dying more every day, and we refuse to do nothing. That's why we started the Solar the World initiative. We stand firmly together while working from home. We reach out to our communities to help them understand the benefits of solar and how the federal solar tax program was created for them. We just want to educate our communities about climate change and how there is a program designed to help them do their part for the planet. And the best part is, you work for yourself and we pay you every time someone switches to solar. Together, we can change the world one house at a time.